Hello everyone. Okay, so for today in math, I'm going to give you guys a little puzzle and we're going to work through this one together and then you're going to have one at your desk that you need to work through. Okay, so this puzzle, even though it looks kind of scary, all we need to do is create our own subtraction puzzle that works. Okay, so your puzzle might look a little different from someone else's because it all depends on what numbers you start with. So I have one number in the middle and I need to think of any old number I want that I want to take away from 7. So I could choose any number, but it has to be a number that's smaller than 7 because if you have 7, you can't take away 10 from 7, right? So it has to be smaller than 7. So I'm going to pick the number 5, okay? And then once I pick whatever number it is that I want here, I can go ahead and I can figure out this number here. So what is 7 take away 5? You can use any strategy you want. So think about what is 7 take away 5. Okay, so the strategy I want to use is from the small, I'm going to put the smaller number in my head and I'm going to count up to 7. So 5, 6, 7. So my answer is 2. 7 take away 5 is 2. So I'm going to write that answer right there. Okay. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do this side of the puzzle. And same thing, I can pick any number I want right here, but it needs to be less than 7. Okay, so let's do 4. Okay, 7 take away 4. Figure out that strategy. Any number, 7 take away 4. Any strategy you want. Okay, this time I'm going to put 7 in my hand. I'm going to put the big number in my head and count back 4. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. My answer to 7 take away 4 is 3. So I'll put 3 in that bubble. Now to figure out my last bubble, I'm going to do 3 take away 2. Because I always have to start with the big number. So 3 take away 2. Figure out what that would be using any strategy you want. The answer is, so if I have 3, I'm going to use my fingers for this one. Take away 2, my answer is 1. So that's how I complete my puzzle. So if you look on your worksheet right here that you have sitting at your desk, they completed a puzzle for you. They did a little sample puzzle for you. So 10 was their starting number. They picked 5 for one of their answers. 10 take away 5 is, let's think about that. Let's see if they're right. So let's put 5 in our head and I'm going to count up 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My answer is 5. So they were right. And then over here, they chose another number again, and they chose 8 this time. 10 take away 8, is that 2? Let's check. So let's put 8 in our head and count up until we get to 10. 8, 9, 10. The answer is 2. So they were right. Now they're going to take these 2 and they are going to do the takeaway for that. So we're going to start with that big number. 5 take away 2. Let's check to see if it's 3. So 5 take away 2 gives us 3. Okay, now you get to try your own puzzle. And remember, there's several different answers to this because it all depends on what number you choose first. Okay, so your starting number is 9. You need to pick a number that is less than 9 that you want to use here. Once you pick that number, do your takeaway. 9 take away whatever number you put here. The answer, write it here. And then you need to jump over here. Put another number here. Okay, but it has to be less than 9. So pick another number here that is less than 9. Do the math. Write your answer here. Then take these 2 numbers, whatever numbers you have written here. Do the math. Write your answer here. Okay, that is your only math puzzle for today. Okay, once you are done with that, go ahead and leave that right on your table. I'll come around and check it in a minute. And you can go back into your math room too, and you can pick something off the shelf to do.